Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana is a scheme implemented by which Indian state UT? Option A. Uttarakhand, B. Delhi, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. Answer is B. Delhi. Under Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana, senior citizens of Delhi can go on pilgrimages at the government's expense. Kartarpur Sahib and Velankanni Church in Tamil Nadu have been recently added to the Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana. The program could not be held in 2020 and 2021 due to the pandemic outbreak. Question number 2. What is the rank of India in organ donation as per Global Observatory on Donation and Transplantation? God. Option is A. First, B. Third, C. Fifth, D. Seventh. Answer is B. Third. Notes: Indian Organ Donation Day celebration has been organized by National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization (NATO) in New Delhi on November 27. The total number of organ transplants done per year in the country increased from 4990 in 2013 to 12,746 in 2019. India now ranks third in the world only after USA and China as per the data available on the Global Observatory on Donation and Transplantation (GOD) website. Question number 3. Which Indian cricketer recently became the third highest wicket taker in tests? A. Ravindra Jadeja, B. R. Ashwin, C. Ishant Sharma, D. Mohammad Shami. Answer is B. R. Ashwin. Notes: R. Ashwin recently became the India's third highest wicket taker in Test cricket. The 35-year-old clinched his 418th wicket in the first Test against New Zealand, surpassing another Indian off-spinner Harbhajan Singh. Only Anil Kumble 619 and Kapil Dev 434 have more wickets than Ashwin as of now. Question number 4. The India Young Water Professional Program has been launched for the first time in association with which country? A. US, A. B. Russia, C. Australia, D. Japan. Answer is C. Australia. Notes: the first edition of the India Young Water Professional Program was launched virtually under National Hydrology Project and supported by the Australian Water Partnership. It is a central scheme of Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. A total of 20 participants, 10 men and 10 women, have been selected for the first edition of this program from central and state implementing agencies of the National Hydrology Project. Question number 5. Which word has been chosen as the 2021 Word of the Year by Merriam-Webster? A. Vaccine, B. Quarantine, C. Infection, de-isolation, chosen as the 2021 Word of the Year by Merriam-Webster. A. Vaccine. B. Quarantine. C. Infection. Answer is A. Vaccine. Notes: Merriam-Webster is an American company which publishes reference, especially dictionaries, and is one of the oldest dictionary publishers in the USA. Merriam-Webster has chosen the word vaccine as the 2021 Word of the Year, since it was the word that was extremely high in its data every single day in 2021. Question number 6. Who is appointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs? C. B. I. C. A. Vivek Johri. B. Alaknanda Dayal. C. Ashutosh Jindal. D. Puneet Agarwal. Answer is A. Vivek Johri. Notes: Senior Indian Revenue Service Officer Shri Vivek Johri has been appointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs C. B. I. C. by the Personnel Ministry. Shri Vivek Johri is a 1985 batch Indian Revenue Service, Customs and Indirect Taxes officer who is presently a member of the CBIC. Question number 7. Hanukkah is a celebration held every year by which group of population? A. Jews. B. Christians. C. Muslims. D. Sikhs. Answer is A. Jews. Notes: Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights, is a Jewish festival celebrating the Jewish victory over a tyrant king, the rededication of the Second Temple at the beginning of the Maccabean revolt against the Seleucid Empire in the 2nd century BC. The 8-day Jewish celebration of Hanukkah is being held across the UAE between Sunday, November 28 and December 5 for a second year in a row after the Abraham Accords. Question number 8. Which Indian state has announced the implementation of a police commissionerate system in 2 of its cities? A. Maharashtra. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. West Bengal. Answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Notes: Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan recently announced the implementation of a police commissionerate system in Bhopal and Indore. The Chief Minister cited growing population and geographical expansion of the 2 cities and the administrative and law and order problems. Under this structure, the district magistrate DM is entrusted with issuing arrest warrants, licenses, while the superintendent of police SP has powers and responsibilities to investigate crime and make arrests. Question number 9. When is the International Day of Solidarity with Palestinian People observed? A. November 27. B. November 29. C. November 30. D. December 1. Answer is B. November 29. Notes: the United Nations observes November 29 as the International Day of Solidarity with Palestinian people since 1978. The day aims to mark the adoption of the United Nations resolution to partition Palestine into two states. The untraditionally celebrates the day by holding its annual debate on the question of Palestine. Question number 10. Where is the India International Science Festival to be held from December 10, 2021? A. Mumbai. B. Lucknow. C. Varanasi. D. Goa. National Science Festival to be held from December 10, 2021. A. Mumbai. B. Lucknow. C. Answer is D. Goa. Notes: India International Science Festival 2021 is being organized jointly by Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, and NGO Vijnana Bharati VIBH A, and would be held from 10th December 2021 for 4 days in Goa. This year's festival would contain Science Film Festival, Science Literature Festival, Engineering Students Festival, Village Festival, etc. Thanks for watching. Support this channel.